I've been using this software for many years now. I'm at the end of my 20 years of teaching, and I found that Knowledge Matters has done an excellent job keeping up to date and revitalizing the lessons to make it real world for the students, because that it's a different form of teaching where they're not just sitting there and hearing a lecture, and they have the opportunity to work hands-on. I find that these lessons are real life, to the sports and entertainment marketing curriculum that we're teaching. And even though that we're not being able to go out and show them how a stadium operates or getting them into an arena or ballpark, it gives them some basis as to all the lessons and ticket pricing, sponsorships, the product development with the concessions. And I think they happen to like the realistic nature to it for sure.